heard from seniors who worked hard their whole lives, but now, in their golden years, are unsure of where to turn to pay the bills, afford the prescriptions, or keep the home in which they raised a family. Here in America, we believe in keeping our promises, especially to our seniors who have put in a lifetime of hard work and deserve to enjoy their golden years. It was a singular achievement, one that has helped seniors live longer, healthier, and more productive lives. It's enhanced their financial security, and it's given us all the peace of mind to know that there will be health care available for us when we're in our golden years. Today, and years of psychoanalysis. That's right, we're reading back all your golden moments here, Mel. Send these, the homeless, tempest-tossed, to me. I lift my lamp beside the golden door. Let us remember these words. For cable hits and a few Sunday shows, he's going to retire to a life of leisure at Mount Vernon, the same place where George Washington spent his golden years. And later today, Michelle, Malia. I want to congratulate all of you on the golden anniversary of the Religious Action Center. I've seen just earlier today the golden stupa of Shwedagon and have been moved by the timeless idea of metta, the belief that our time on this earth can be defined by tolerance and by love. Fifth, we've got to revamp retirement to protect Americans in their golden years, to make sure another housing collapse doesn't steal the savings in their homes. The country, of course, knows him for his golden voice and dulcet tones on West Wing Week, the biggest viral internet hit since Between Two Ferns. But Josh and I have an incredible history going all the way back to the Iowa caucuses.
Cinnamon candy that never runs out, a house that burns in winter and melts a halo of grass, a dream of a golden water.